Okay, trimmers are set. Throttle's finger tight. Mixture is rich. Magnetos are on. Transplant, I'll do that in a second. Passenger brief, we're going to go flying.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Golf Yankee Foxtrot Alpha 3 ready for departure.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot runway 26 right, take off at your discretion. Surfing 200 degrees at 10 knots.
Right, you happy?
Yep, commence operation done.
Full power. There's 23. Here we go. Might be a little bit bumpy today.
Yeah, she'll be good.
Do you want to go Blackpool or London? They gave us pretty good services. We were going over the Lake District. Loads of traffic deconflict.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot departing to the north.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, roger. It's a basic service.
Basic service, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
I got told off for saying north.
London information? Yeah, fuck it. Golf Yankee Foxtrot, request change to London information on 125.475.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, roger. Squawk on Theatre and free call London, speak to you soon.
Free call en route, speak to you soon. Thank you, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
Paprika, are you aware of the air displays on at Fenland Airfield today within 2 nautical miles up to 5,000 feet?
Fenland's in the bloody east of Anglia.
West London, isn't it?
Route in north of Fenland. We're currently...
It's just constant, that's the problem.
Yeah. Well, it gives us something to listen to. By all means, go Blackpool, not an issue. You have to call in as well, by the way.
Yeah. When we get a chance. London information, Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot, request basic service.
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot, London information, good morning, stand by another 2, agree back.
Standing by, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
2957, London information, what's your estimate for bollocks?
Did he just say bollocks?
One moment.
I hope so. He must be talking to us. Not got back to you yet, has he?
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot, London information, good morning, pass your message.
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot is a PA28, 2 POB, local flight from Manchester Bart, currently 5 miles north of Samlesbury, altitude 3000, QNH 1012. We're a VFR flight conducting general handling in the area of Kendal.
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot, sorry, I think you were stepped on there, just say again your message.
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot is a PA28, 2 POB, local flight from Manchester Barton, about 5 miles north of Salisbury, altitude 3000, QNH 1012, VFR flight conducting general handling in the area of Kendal, request basic service.
Basic service. There's 2 stations at once there again, Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot, pass your message.
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot is a PA28, 2 POB, local flight from Manchester Barton, operating 5 miles north of Salisbury, 3000 feet, QNH 1012, for a VFR flight conducting general handling in the area of Kendal. Request basic service.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, roger, thank you for that. So we got there eventually. Squawk 1177 with mode Charlie, basic service.
1177, mode Charlie, basic service.
And depending on your routine, should be advised, Cockerham are active with parachuting this morning.
Roger.
Roger, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
Can I have my glasses, please?
Station calling, call sign Papa Hotel Yankee. Just say again your full call sign only.
Right, you are my eyes.
Calling with call sign Papa.
You are descending for 3000, are you?
3000.
Pass our information to Amsterdam on the frequency 123.
You want me to go higher? You have to tell me to go higher.
And say again, it's Squawk, Blue 957?
The Squawk 3.
I think we're outside the CTA now, so we can climb if you want to
Yeah,
climb.
I think you should climb
To
for 3,500.
3,500.
And if you get the support, changing to Amsterdam.
This is some nice scenery, mate. You're missing out with your IFR glasses on.
Right, it's good practice. I'll suck the glasses off. I can do it without the glasses.
Squawk 1177 with
I
mode
won't
Charlie,
cheat.
basic service. What's your routing to show?
Do you reckon you can make a smooth turn?
Yeah, I have to. Rate 1. What, you mean all the way round?
It's going to be less than rate 1, this one.
Yeah. Okay.
We want a
Delta Kilo Tango Alpha, London information, don't
bit of heft.
5 degrees.
Say again, Tango Alpha.
If you want a circle, then it's... I'll try and do a circle, but it's going to be hard.
3,000.
Tell you what, let's just do we'll do a square.
Yeah.
And
Square
we are
bollocks.
just north of...
Otherwise, we're going to be listing for most of the way, which is going to be really annoying.
Okay, give me 150 degrees.
Hotel Delta Echo Whiskey, London
150
Good morning, bus message.
Faster, faster,
Well, it'll
faster.
round out the ball, won't it? It's good. I think this is alright. Going to turn out fine.
Tango Zulu Echo Delta.
Lovely.
Our routing is...
I think if I carry on round, I'll make it.
Okay, begin your turn.
And...
210.
210, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
Thank you.
Peter 25 is 3,000.
Can I have my tea, please?
You have your tea?
Cup of tea, yeah.
10 miles up
Have you got?
Yeah, it's in a blue cup.
You're joking.
10 miles from the east or the west of Dunchester.
Rover channel.
Definitely not. One does not joke about caffeine.
Look at that. Yeah.
Foxtrot, Golf 50 Tango.
I am going to extend this down.
Where are we going to do our tight turn to get back?
I'm going to extend this towards Blackburn.
Where were you?
I've been on with London Information before and trying to exit, like change frequency to get back off of them and have to wait for like 10 minutes circling the airfield.
Coasting out.
I just say my, if that happens to me, I just say my call sign. Yeah, I've always got in.
2046.
That is lovely. There we go. One complete skydog.
Nailed it. All I've got to do now is survive the landing.
Oh god, you wouldn't want to get investigated for this, would you? 2 novice pilots drawing a sky penis.
Fudge the landing.
Right, that's it.
Right.
Okay, let's head off over there towards that.
I think we should go up the shaft, tight turn, and then go back the way we came. You think? Let's not ruin it.
Okay.
Complete at Bishopsworth.
Okay, once you've got 4,000, let's do a
London Information, Golf Charlie, Golf Golf Sierra.
right 180.
Tight turn, yeah.
Golf Charlie Golf, Golf.
Echo Mike.
Right, can you hold that for a minute then, please? Hold it tight.
Echo Mike Sierra Alpha, London information. Good morning, just stand by number 1.
I'm going to go right. Degrees.
Golf Echo Mike Sierra Alpha, London information. Thanks, now bye, pass your message.
Golf Echo Mike Sierra Alpha Sport Cruiser from Audley and Private Strip near Stansted to Northampton Sywell. Routing direct. Currently approaching Barkway VOR altitude 2,100 feet.
Not too far around there.
015.
That's all right.
VFR, we're going to
Nudge that back.
please.
Lovely execution there, mate.
1177 with Mo Charlie Basic.
Hopefully it shouldn't be too much of a pimple.
And there.
1177 Mo Charlie Basic Service destination Northampton.
It's 180.
Still to the right.
180.
Golf Sierra Alpha, London information.
180. 0 degree. Oh.
Alpha request for London and QNH.
That was very well executed, sir.
014.
Bosh, thank you.
1009.
009 Golf.
Alright, home for tea and medals.
Good morning, Golf Bravo Tango Bravo Charlie.
Been gloating on the pilot chat.
Just stand by and hand over.
Right, just off the, just outside the
There's someone at Middlebrook, isn't there?
Following them in. Not going to catch them up.
1013.
That's cool, isn't it? It works.
The system works.
How much is the extra subscription?
What for what?
There's traffic.
Yeah.
Is it included?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the point of the Echo, otherwise...
I was wondering if you have to pay extra.
No.
Tango request frequency change Farnborough West 125250.
On information, Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot request join.
Stage call inbound. Belize Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot by information away. Pass your message.
Golf Alpha Zulu Yankee Foxtrot is a PA28 2POB, local flight from Bath, currently overhead Samlesbury, 3,000 feet, QNH 1012, request join.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, Roger, runway T65 with the right hand side.
You're going to request 14.
1010, squawk 7365.
26 right hand, 1010 the QFE, squawk 7365, Golf Yankee Foxtrot. I will do when we get closer. Let's just see what the traffic situation's like. This is very pleasantly.
Yeah, nice and stable actually. I was expecting it to be bouncy as shite.
What's our speed across the ground? 78. Yeah, so you got a good 12 knots of wind, haven't you?
Discretion, surface wind is 200 degrees at 9 knots and traffic's at gyro base.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot overhead Middlebrook. We're operating a Sky Echo. Can you confirm if you can see us on the ADSB?
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, negative, don't have you on ADSB.
Roger, Golf Yankee Foxtrot. They can't see us on the ADSB. What are we squawking?
Depends. Well, this only gives us 40 miles, so it depends if there's a receiver within 40 miles. I think it's a lot of it's crowdsourced.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot now overhead Holden Industrial Estate. Can you confirm on the ADSB?
Golf Yankee Foxtrot FM, you've just appeared overhead Holden.
Roger, thank you, Golf Yankee Foxtrot. They can see us.
Yeah, well it's within range now.
Yeah.
Golf Charlie Foxtrot.
Just turn the approach on. Came up here, enable the approach, and you select your runway.
That's cool.
Transmission's partly blocked, brake.
That's good actually, because you know if you've had a long flight and you've got a bit of a brain fight going right hand down there, just select that and you're like, oh, okay, now I've got like a little indicator to help me out a bit. Lazy.
Isn't it useful?
In it. Golf Yankee Foxtrot descending dead south.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, becoming to the circuit, 1 climb out and 1 shortly rolling, report downwind.
Okay, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
I can see the traffic. And behind him taking off.
Caution the rotor rush from the cross.
Contact? You're going to cut in front of him?
Yeah.
Take off at your discretion, surface wind 180 degrees 7 knots.
Yeah, you will.
Taking off Golf,
Fuck that guy.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot downwind to land.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, no report traffic ahead, report final.
Okay, Golf Yankee Foxtrot. Golf Yankee Foxtrot downwind to land. Wrong, incorrect. Final to land. Disregard.
Golf Yankee Foxtrot, runway 26 right, surface wind 200 degrees, 11 knots, land your discretion.
Landing 26 right, Golf Yankee Foxtrot.
Airfield, report entering again.
Okay, I'm visual of that traffic, that's 0.
Charlie Copter Zulu X-ray, clear the zone boundary to the north facing service please.
Charlie Zulu X-ray, apologies, just taking the direction.
To the north, up to local stadium, basic service.
Nice.
Charlie Zulu X-ray, roger, it's basic service. Traffic just reported to the northwest as a Cessna 150.
Visual that traffic and basic service, thank you, Charlie Copter Zulu X-ray.
Lovely.